Hello guys, today in this video I am going to be comparing Windows and Mac OS. So come on, let's start. And guys, we always know that there are many types of operating system, but the most popular operating systems are Mac OS, Microsoft Windows and Linux. So today I will be comparing the Windows and Mac OS. So come on, let's start. So guys, our first point is its stability and performance. So guys, it has good stability and performance, which is a very user friendly feature and a thing for all the users. So our second point is its gaming performance. It is also a very big thing for all the gamers, and it has good gaming performance, which is an very nice feature. So guys, our third main point is its price point. It is also a very big question about the pricing. So guys, this Windows OS is the most cheapest OS of all the operating systems. So guys, now let's come to its fourth point, that is a lifespan. So guys, its lifespan is very nice and it survives for many years, but it has two drawbacks. Our first drawback is that it survives for many years, but its speed gets reduced day by day, or every year its speeds get reduced. And second drawback is that its files get corrupted if it is not shut down properly. So it is a very annoying thing for all the users. So guys, there's one more point that is most essential, that is its business use. And guys, its business use is also very essential for the users. Some are using it in office, but the Windows is mostly used for businesses also. But it is not much safe. It can be hacked easily. So it's not much more safe. So guys, our sixth point is its customization, and customization in Windows is very good feature, and there we can do many customizations, and we can also change the wallpapers. That is a basic thing. We can change the icons and fonts and etc. So guys, in Mac OS, our first point is its stability and performance. It has the best stability and performance than the Windows. So guys, our second point is its gaming performance. Actually friends, Mac OS is not optimized for gaming. It is optimized for some other purposes. Guys, our third point is its price point. Guys, there is one drawback of Mac OS, that it is very expensive for the users. So some users cannot afford it, which is not a good thing. So guys, our fourth point is its lifespan. A good thing for Mac OS is that its lifespan is very good, and if we will use it for after 5 years or 10 years, its speed will be not reduced. It will be reduced only a 1% and all. And it is a very good and user friendly feature for all the users who use the Mac OS. So guys, our fifth point is its business use, and it is the best use of the Mac OS, and it is used in many offices. Thank you. So guys, our last point is its customization, and Mac OS has more customization than Windows, so it is a good thing for the users. So guys, I recommend you the Windows version because it is cheap and it is an affordable OS. You can also take Mac OS if you can afford it. And I like Mac OS much more than Windows because of its features. But Windows wins the match due to its price. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.